Someone asked me about the birds. They are gone. They are gone. And I'm glad because now I can get the house pressure washed. Look what they did. Look. Poop, poop, poop everywhere. But they didn't poop on my car. That's what's interesting. Yep. So it's time to pressure wash now that they're gone. Yucky poo, yucky poo. They were pretty, but they made a mess. I'm gonna get it done real soon. I'm gonna get in touch with June Mosique. He'll come around here and knock that down. And I have a pressure washer. I just need help using it, and I'm sure June will help me with that. He's our neighborhood handyman. Okay, that's the bird update.